What up, folks? I'm actually excited. Don't know if this is gonna work, but it came in. I ordered what's called a 7-inch Daymaker headlight with the spot lamps from a place called Sonolight. No, they're not Harley originals. I didn't get it from the dealer. I wasn't looking to spend 800 bucks on headlights. So I wrote this company, ratings were great on it, and I gotta tell you, I opened the box, and I am impressed with how these look. I don't know, man. I'm impressed with the quality. This is the headlight itself. Looks really good out of the box. Came with the ring, the adapter ring. I got the whole thing, the whole shebang. And that's it right there. I'm not going to uncover it right now because I'm not doing these today. I will do them when I get a chance, but I wanted to, since I'm in the garage, just go over them real quick. That's the back side. There's your plug. Looks real simple. It does say DOT SAE approved on them. And I don't know, for $114 I think I paid for these. I'm freaking impressed with them. Comes with your cables for different types of hookups. I haven't even looked at it yet, so I don't know what's what yet. And in the spotlight. And that's a spotlight. Also says DOT approved on it. These are the blackout lights. And I gotta tell you, I know you guys can't see too well. Let me just remove this so you can see. That's what it looks like. I'm really impressed with the quality of it. I hope it lasts a long time, and we'll see if it fits the bike. Some people said they had problems with these spotlights fitting on their housings. So I don't know. I'm gonna attempt it and see what happens. It's got the bracket here. You just gotta do you gotta hook up the wiring to the original wiring, which shouldn't be difficult with a couple of electrical plugs. I got plenty of those over there, so. Well, $114, I think it's a great deal if it works. I decided to do the upgrade because at night, I'm not seeing well with those lights, that headlight and those two spotlights. They work as good as a halogen's gonna work. But I'm looking for something that puts out a better quality light so it's easier on my eyes at night. I saw the reviews on these and I was very impressed with all the reviews. 99% of them were really good. So I'm gonna personally do it myself and see. We're gonna take a before with the original spotlights and the headlight on. I'm gonna shut the lights off in the garage and I'm gonna try and take a picture or two so I can do before and after for you folks. And then we'll do after with these lights. All right, I'll see you guys and girls when I get back and we decide to do that.